Good morning, students. Welcome to the e-learning classes. Now, this is your EVS class. So, all of you open your EVS textbook. Uh, page number page number 141. Okay, page number 141. So in the last classes we have already started our chapter, that is families can be different, and from this chapter we have learned a family, that is Sri Thomas families. Okay, so today I will discuss the families of Tara, Totaram and Sarah and Habib's family. Okay, so first one, that is Tara. Tara lives with her Amma and Nana in Chennai. Her Amma Meenakshi is not married. She has adopted Tara. Meenakshi goes to the office in the morning and returns in the evening. When Tara returns from school, her Nana takes care of her. He is the one who feeds her, helps her to do homework and also play with her. During vacations, the three of them go to far off places and enjoy themselves. At times, Tara's Mausi and Mausa and their children also come to their house. At such time, they play together for long hours and also chit chat. So next question, who takes care of Tara and how? Okay, so that is the answer, who takes care of Tara and how. Answer is, when Tara returns from school, her Nana takes care of her. He is the one who feeds her, helps her to do work and also play with her. Okay. Next question, question number 2. What are the things the family members do together? What are the things the family members do together? Here, number 2. During vacations, Tara, her Amma and Nana go to far off places and enjoy themselves. Okay. During vacations, Tara, her Amma and Nana go to far off places and enjoy themselves. Okay. So this is the family of Tara. Next, the family, that is Sarah and Habib. Sarah and Habib live in the city. Both are employed. Habib is a clerk in a government office and Sarah teaches in a school. Habib's Abbu is retired and lives with them. In the evening, the three of them sit together and watch television or play cards. Abbu enjoys watching televisions with the others. He enjoys the discussion as well. On holidays, the neighbors' children come to their house and create a lot of fun. Everybody enjoys together and they play games, go out and at times go for plays and movies. So next question, who all are there in this family? Means Sarah and Habib's family. So this is the question answer. Number 1, who all are there in this family? So there are 3 members in the family: Sarah, Habib and Habib's Abbu. Okay, there are three members in the family: Sarah, Habib, and Habib's Abbu. Next, number 2. Abbu enjoys watching television with the others. Why? Watching TV alone can be boring. That's why Abbu enjoys watching television with others. Okay? Watching TV alone can be boring. That's why Abbu enjoys watching television with others. Next, number 3. How do the family members enjoy? On holidays, the neighbors' children come to their house and create a lot of fun. They play games and go out, and at times go for plays and movies. Okay, so next the family is Totaram's family. Totaram lives with his father, uncle, and cousins, brothers in colony in Mumbai. Totaram and his brothers have come to Mumbai to study. His father and uncle work here. Everybody does the household work together, and food cooked by Totaram's chacha is liked by everyone. Totaram's father does the shopping. A part of the money earned is sent to Totaram's dadas in the village. And Totaram's mother, dada, dadi, chachi, and younger brothers and sister live in their village. Once a year, Totaram goes to his village. He misses his mother very much. He writes long letter to her. So next question, how do Totaram family's member keep contact with each other? Okay. So all of you see the board. That is the family of Totaram. Question number 1. Okay. First, how do Totaram's family member keep contact with each other? Okay. Answer is Totaram misses his mother very much. Very much. He writes long letter to her. Long letters to her. Once a year. Once a year, Totaram goes to his village to visit his family. To visit his family. Next, number 2. Number 2 question, which member of Totaram's family live in the city and which live in the village? Why? Totaram lives with his father, uncle, and cousin brothers in a colony or in Mumbai. Mumbai. In Mumbai for study. And his mother, Dada, Dadi lives in village. Okay. So which member of Totharam's family live in the city? That is father, uncle and cousin brother lives in the Mumbai for study, and his mother, Dada, Dadi lives in village. Okay. So today I have completed up to Totharam's family, and next classes we will start Krishna and Kaveri's family. Okay. So thank you students. Bye bye.